Exiting Diaspora Estate, this road is about to be walked on. As you can see, they've done the bridge here, and they're going to walk on this road. They're going to tar this road from the estate back there down to the road, down to the gates. That's this outside there. It's going to be walked on, and just immediately after Diaspora Estate is CitiVille Estate. So this right here is CitiVille Estate. Just after Diaspora Estate is CitiVille. There are some buildings going on in CitiVille Estate. You can see. So once CitiVille works on their own, Diaspora works on their own, this place is going to be very, very neat. Like you can see, they've already done on the road. So this is CitiVille Estate. You can see they've done the center, the divider, road divider here, planted some trees. They've put some stone base on this road. Okay, they're going to do it like that down to Diaspora Estate. All right, you can see this is CitiVille entrance to, this is CitiVille Estate. This is the road, and behind me is Diaspora. Right behind me is Diaspora. Then after CitiVille is ElShammah Estate. You can see ElShammah Estate there, and there's a residential building here. This is a block of flat that someone is renting out. Okay, so this area is fast becoming a real estate hub. Like lots of buildings in ElShammah, you can see there's power, there's light, so people actually live in ElShammah Estate. All right, and a plot of land in ElShammah currently is going for between 25 million to 35 million, and I mean it's sold out actually, so you can't even find any plot of land here in ElShammah. You can see the road divider. The road is divided properly. There's another estate to my right here. There's a police station at the end of this road, right? And just in the opposite direction of this road is Diaspora Estate. Just in the opposite direction is Diaspora Estate. So here's a police station here, and then this is Jedidiah Estate. I'm just showing you what the road leading from Diaspora Estate looks like. Okay, so this is a police station here. This is Jedidiah Estate. Jedidiah. This is ElShammah. This road is going to be walked on soon. You can't wait for this road to be walked on before you before you pick your plots right here in Diaspora Estate or any of these estates here. You can see ElShammah. You can see ElShammah Estate. That's ElShammah. This place here is Jedidiah Estate. You know, so you can't wait for this road to be tarred, because the prices will go up. You know how real estate works. Once a road is tarred, or once more development comes to an environment, definitely the price goes up. Yes, that's how it has always been, and that's how it keep being, you know. So this is Jedidiah. You can see the signboard there. Jedidiah and ElShammah is both owned by Copen Group. Copen is one of the biggest real estate companies in the southeast and even in Nigeria. So they have a hall here now. There's a hall here where you can come do your wedding, birthday parties, just opposite the estate. This is Jedidiah Estate. You can see, and there's this hall. There's a shopping mall now. The shopping mall is open. People now have started selling. You can see shops. People have taken up their shops. They have moved in. There's a laundry shop there. There's a kitchen, something. There's a barber shop right here, because this place is fast developing. You can see the shops, block of shops. It's still owned by Copen Group right there. This is still Jedidiah Estate. I remember a few years ago, about 2-3 years ago, I think that was 2018, sometime, I think 2018, ending 2018, that I came to Jedidiah for the first time. This place was literally a bush. This place, Jedidiah Estate, was literally a bush. Bush. By the way, this is my face. This is my New Year face. Happy New Year, guys. good to connect with you again on this channel. If you're new, please hit the like button. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe, all right, so that we can know ourselves better this year. And I get to show you real estate tips in Enugu. I get to bring you real estate updates in this beautiful city of Enugu. I'm excited to have you here. If you're returning, thank you so much. Last year we won the best realtor of the year thanks to you. So we're actually in Centenary, and I want to show you updates of what is happening within Centenary. The good news, one of the good news, that the road has been fixed. That's the double lane in Harcourt Express has been fixed. So that has reduced traffic drastically. I'm driving out now, so I'll show you the road. I'll use my spot stand right here, and then I'll show you the road along the express and show you the level of work going on there. There's a lot of buildings coming up here, especially all this type of shopping plazas, because more people are beginning to live here. You get the gist, right? Lots of buildings are coming up here, especially all this type of buildings. Like, people now build block of shops right here in Centenary City, and yes, a couple of them are fully occupied. Like this one on my right is fully occupied. There's a mini estate right here to the left. That's a mini estate there, and then almost opposite it, there's a shopping complex here that is fully occupied. In fact, right here in this particular one now, this white building is fully occupied. Like, the whole shops here are taken. There's a pharmacy, there are a couple of things there. Right opposite it, there's a car wash and a bar. Okay, so in the next video I'm going to take you through from this point to Independence Layout. Just watch out for the next video I'm going to upload. I'm going to show you what the new road looks like. The road has been worked on. We are super excited. But this particular video, I just wanted to show you the less than 5 minutes drive from Diaspora Estate to Harcourt Expressway, and show you how very accessible the road is and the reason why a lot of people are buying into Diaspora. Because once that road, you remember that other road between ElShammah and Jedidiah Estate down to Diaspora, once that road is fixed, I bet you the price of those places will go up astronomically. Okay, so go ahead and call me today. Let's bring you on a free inspection. This is the right time to buy. Okay, you can see the road. Yes, like I said, watch out for the next video I do. I'm going to drive you from here, from Centenary City here down to Independence Layout, just to give you an update of what Centenary Independence Layout looks like now. The road has been fixed, like you can see, and so the traffic has reduced drastically. We're excited about that. Go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe to this channel. Let's be friends here, so that we can bring you more video updates on real estate within Enugu. Enjoy a fantastic day, and look out for that next video. Bye for now.